Hi, everyone. Hi, Zara. How are you today?
Hi, Blake. Hi, everyone. I'm good, but a little tired. I usually start work at 9 a.m., so my morning is busy.
Same here. I start at 8:30. I work on my computer and I drink coffee first. Welcome. We're Blake and Zara.
Yes, welcome to our slow, friendly English time.
Sometimes we want to talk about our workday, but we don't know the words, right?
Yes, we want to say I was busy or I had a meeting, but we feel stuck.
Don't worry, you can learn. Today, we will learn simple English for work. We will practice easy sentences to talk about your workday, from morning to evening.
And we will practice questions too, like how was your day and what did you do at work?
We will speak slowly and clear. We will repeat. This is beginner-friendly daily routine English.
Okay, mini warm-up. Blake, how do you feel today?
I feel busy, but okay. I answered emails this morning.
I'm a bit tired. I wrote a short report today.
Nice. And you listening? How about you? How do you feel today?
You can say one simple sentence with us. Today, I feel...
Great. Let's talk about the morning, before work. Zara, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. First, I sit on my bed and I feel sleepy. Then, I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat toast and I drink tea. After that, I check my phone for messages.
Same. Then what?
Then, I get dressed, I take my bag, and I leave the house at 8:30.
Wow, you are fast. I am slow in the morning. Ugh, I move like a turtle.
What do you do first, Blake?
First, I make coffee. Then I get ready. You can say first, I, then I.
Yes, first, I eat breakfast. Then, I leave the house. Simple workday English.
Do you ever forget things?
Sometimes, yes.
One day I forgot my keys. Oh no. I stood at the door like, oh no. My day started funny.
Oh no, poor Blake.
Quick learn point. Commute means travel to work. So I commute means I travel to work.
And you can keep it easy and say, I go to work by bus or I go to work by car.
Okay, now you. How do you go to work today?
Nice question. Now, arriving at work. Blake, what happens when you get to work?
I walk in and I say, good morning. Then I turn on my computer and check my messages.
Same. I put my bag down and I make tea. Small things feel good.
Yes. On busy mornings, I sometimes feel nervous, but then a coworker smiles and I feel better.
Oh, sometimes I feel shy too, but I try to smile and say hello.
And if you work from home, you can still say hello.
Yes. On a home day, I open my laptop and I type in the chat, "Good morning, everyone."
Office day and home day, both are normal. Both are a work routine.
And remember, small English is okay. Even hi is good.
Quick check-in for you listening. Do you say good morning at work?
You can practice now. Good morning.
Okay, let's go to the daytime. What do you do at work during the day, Zara?
I do many small tasks. I check emails, I answer messages, and I work on a project. Sometimes I join a meeting.
Nice. Let's explain one thing. I have a meeting means the meeting is on your schedule. It is planned.
Yes, and I join a meeting means you enter it, like you click and you join.
Good. Today I had a meeting at 10. Then I joined the meeting on my computer.
Perfect. And I make calls sometimes, or I help customers.
My day can be simple too. I had a calm task today. I answered emails one by one. My inbox was very full.
Very full, but it went smoothly, right?
Yes. I stayed calm, I wrote short replies, and I finished. I felt good.
My story is different. I had a difficult task. I studied a new part of my work. It was hard at first.
Oh no. How did you feel?
I felt stuck. But I asked a coworker and I watched a short video. Then I understood more. So I felt hopeful.
Nice. Also, a helpful word. Deadline means the last day to finish something.
Yes, my deadline is Friday. Simple.
And you can ask, what are you working on today? Or, do you have meetings today?
Quick check-in. Is your workday busy or calm?
Now, the middle of the day, break time and lunch.
Yes, around 1 o'clock, I take a short break. I drink water, I stretch my arms and my neck.
Same. A short break helps. Sometimes I feel stressed, and a break makes me feel better.
At lunch, I eat rice or a sandwich, but sometimes I eat very fast.
Me too. Some days I eat lunch quickly, then I go back to work.
And sometimes I eat lunch alone.
That is normal, Zara. Many people eat alone sometimes. It can be quiet and peaceful.
Yes, true. After lunch, I feel a little tired, but also okay.
Here are polite feeling sentences for work. You can say, I'm a little tired today.
Or, I need a short break.
It is simple and respectful.
And if you want to sound friendly, you can smile and say it softly.
Also, snacks. My favorite work snack is a cookie. Mine is nuts and tea. Always tea.
Okay, real life, problems and small mistakes.
Yes, because work is not perfect. It happens.
Sometimes the computer is slow.
Or you have too many tasks. Or you miss.
I wrap up my tasks. I send one final message, like, I finished this. Then I make a small to-do list for tomorrow.
Nice. I close my tabs, I clean my desk a little, and I close my laptop.
How do you feel at the end of the day?
I feel relieved and proud. Today I finished my main task. I was like, yes, done.
Yay! I'm happy for you. For me, I did not finish everything.
That is okay. Really, some days are busy.
Yes, I say I will continue tomorrow.
And remember, short sentences are enough. You can still communicate well.
Then we go home. I commute home, travel home.
And if you work from home, you just walk to another room.
Quick question. Do you rest after work or do you study?
After work, I like a calm evening. I eat dinner, I take a shower, and I relax. Sometimes I watch a show for fun.
My evening is more busy. I cook, I talk with family, and I clean a little.
That's real life. Different evenings, same goal. Feel okay.
Yes, and self-care can be small. A short walk, a glass of water, a few deep breaths.
Some days are hard, but you did your best.
And talking about your routine is great English practice. You use simple, real words.
Okay, now let's review helpful words and phrases from our conversation.
Yes, we will go slow and we will give easy examples.
Let's do vocabulary for a normal workday. We'll keep it simple. You can repeat after us.
Word 1, start work, meaning begin work. Example, I start work at 9.
Word 2, finish work, meaning end work. Example, I finish work at 5.
Busy, meaning you have many things to do. Example, today I'm busy.
Tired, meaning you need rest. Example, I feel tired after lunch.
Break, meaning a short rest. Example, I need a short break.
Meeting, meaning people talk together for work. Example, I have a meeting at 10.
Email, meaning a message on the computer. Example, I send an email to my boss.
Task, meaning one piece of work. Example, my task is to write a report.
Commute, meaning travel to work. Example, I commute by bus.
Deadline, meaning the last day to finish. Example, my deadline is Friday.
Help, meaning support someone. Example, Can you help me, please?
Free time, meaning time after work. Example, I have free time in the evening.
Does this make sense?
If deadline feels new, think last day. Easy, right?
And remember, you don't need perfect grammar. Just speak.
Yes, say it out loud. One more time. I start work. I finish work. Let's recap our day together. In the morning, we wake up, get ready, and go to work.
Then we arrive and say, "Good morning." We turn on the computer and we check messages.
During the day, we do tasks, emails, calls, meetings, or projects.
In the middle, we take a break, eat lunch, and talk about feelings like tired or stressed.
And if a small problem happens, we stay calm and say, "It's okay, I try again."
Then we finish work, go home, and rest.
The goal is simple. Use short sentences about your routine and ask simple questions too.
Practice is more important than perfect English.
Try first I, then I.
Or, today I feel. Now, say 1 or 2 sentences about your day.
Question of the day. How was your workday today?
Write your answer in the comments. 1 sentence is okay.
Model answer 1. My workday was calm. I finished my tasks.
Model answer 2. My workday was busy. I had many emails.
Model answer 3. I felt tired, but I'm okay.
Copy the structure and make it yours.
Thank you for listening with us today.
You can learn step by step. Don't worry.
Please like, subscribe, and comment your answer.
And try this tonight. Say 1 or 2 sentences about tomorrow's workday.